Sorry we got interrupted there on this last problem. So, in letter B of number 7, the last problem on the review, it says draw the dilation of JKL, so this triangle, with a center of J. I always underline key things that we need to know, and a scale factor of 2. So that means when we say a center of J, everything's coming off that point. So that's where we're getting our measurements from. So, and if we went above it, if we look at A, everything was coming off the origin, 0, 0. That's where our measurements came. Everything was half the distance because of a scale factor of 2. In this one, we're going off J, but it has a scale factor of 2. That means 2 times larger. So there's a couple different ways you can do it. You can actually measure this and go that same route. So what you could do, if you had a piece of paper and we're going off J, so if you wanted to, you could extend this out from J. You can do this for the 2 points here. We know our answer is going to fall on that line somewhere, both of those lines. So let's do K first. So if we have to go scale factor of 2, that means 2 times the size. So if I get the first measurement, from J to K, is that distance. Hi. And then I'm going 2 units away. What's this? When I say units, is this measurement from J to K. And so to double it, that counts as 1. And I'll move it again, following it. And here's 2. So there would be our K prime. So that's one way you could do it. And I'll show another way you could do it, would be using this line. So if you wanted to actually measure this, you can see what customary, so it's not a good number, a really easy number to work with. See if metric, okay, metric's much easier. Looks like it's 2 millimeters. So I could go 2 times 2 is 4. So our dot's going to be at right here. You can do it that way. Another way, you can see that you went down 1, 2, 3, and over 1. You can do the same thing, down 3, 1, 2, 3, over 1. You get the same spot. So this would be L prime. And then you make your line across for your triangle. It's okay to have them extend out because they're just rays anyway. But we're looking for that you can double the size of this small triangle to form the big one. Scale factor 2. But scale factor equals 2. All right, that is our review. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.